Hello friends, hope you guys are doing great. Let's get started with our today's video. So in this video, first we are going to draw this small circles, and after drawing these circles we are going to make this. See how perfectly a big circle has been made, and yes, this elephant will definitely turn into a cutest one. See how the ears are being drawn, and now let's join this all together. After joining this, we are done. Now you have draw this floral bud by simply following these easy steps. Let's complete the outlook of this flower by drawing some pedicle along with leaves too. Write this, and after writing this alternate too, you have to make a duck like this. Well yes, a beak has to be placed and foots are to be made too. Now first draw this pattern. After drawing this, you simply have to follow these steps. After making these two circles, make some inner circles too. Well, you must have guessed it. Yes, we are going to make a car like this. Now a steering wheel and a window has to be made too. Let's first draw this pattern, and after drawing this of a dolphin, we have to make her eye now, and after drawing her eye, we can draw her fins too. First make this, and after making this you have to draw a circle and give a smirky look on the face of this butterfly along with the ears. Let's draw some circles inside her wings too. Now we are going to make a bird. Simply follow the very few easy steps for getting the pattern like this. After making this, you can see a bird is made. Draw these circles in a chain-like manner, and after drawing this, you can simply draw this on the top of it. Well, two ears are to be made of this dog, and the body of him is to be provided with a tail too. Now you have to draw this pattern on this white sheet of yours. You can simply complete the hairy look of this tiny creature by following these very few easy steps. After this, you can see that how we are making 6, and then we have to write 2 and 1 number also. Yes, we are making a cute tiny dog like this. Simply provide him with the tail too. Now you have to first draw this. After drawing this, you can see how perfectly the scary teeth of this whale are made. Now let's write this digit first, and after writing it, well, we are going to make an apple. This apple is to be provided with a leaf on the top too. Now write the alphabet E, and after that you have to make the face of this cute tiny creature along with the legs, and now let's complete his look by providing him with this bushy appearance. Now we are going to make this art by simply making 6, and after making 6 we have to make the trunk part of this elephant. And this baby elephant is looking very cute along with his legs. Now you have to draw this. After drawing this bird, you can see that how perfectly these wings are being made. Let her sit on a branch and draw an eye too along with the beak. Well, this bird is ready. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it.